Hi, I'm Jen and today I'm here with Judy Plum Wigs to show you the Luna wig from the Wille Modixx collection. This is a lovely shoulder length style with sort of light floaty layers down to the bottom, giving some beautiful movement. It is also made from heat resistant fibres, meaning that you can style this however you want. So you can add little waves, curls, whatever you want. So I'm just going to flip this wee cap inside out so you can take a closer look. So across here you've got a lovely lace front, meaning that it looks like the hairs are just growing straight out of your scalp. You also have a little hand-tied monofilament section at the crown of the cap, again just giving that really natural appearance. The rest of the wig is fully open wefted, so it's got a beautiful stretch and is nice and comfortable to wear all day. The air can flow round. You've got your little velcro adjustable tabs at the back there so you can get the perfect fit, as well as the metal stays in your ear tab so that you can pop the wig in the right place and have it stay there all day long. So I'm just going to pop the wig on so you can see what she looks like on. Do a little adjustment from the ear tabs there. So this is what the Luna wig looks like on. As you can see, you've got the beautiful layers there, which will look lovely if you style it using heat, because it is those heat resistant fibres. You've got 16 centimetres of length in the fringe, 33 centimetres of length from the crown, and 22 centimetres of length from the nape. This is in the shade Light Champagne Rooted, which is a lovely light blonde with that sort of shaded root there. I'm just going to try on a couple of the other shades that are available at Judy Plum just now. This is the shade Chocolate Multi-Mix, so a lovely multi-dimensional deep brunette colour. There's no root on this wig, so it's perfect if you just like more of a consistent colour throughout the root to the tips. So as well as a selection of natural colours available in this wig, there is also some really fun fashion colours. So this is the shade Pastel Mint Shaded. So there is a beautiful sort of mint green colour running throughout this wig, as well as your nice natural shading at the root there to give a little bit extra dimension. So the final shade I've got to show you today is Rosewood Shaded. So this one has a lovely sort of pinky auburny tone running through it. And again, you've got that beautiful natural rooting going on. And I'm going to do a little 360 spin in this one so you can see how the Luna wig looks from every angle. I really hope you've enjoyed learning about the Luna wig. As you can see, it is a super fun layered mid-length style with the heat resistant fibres, so you can style it any way you want. It also has a beautiful lift at the roots there, giving a little bit extra volume, which really just complements those layers. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Judy Plum YouTube channel. Also check out Judy Plum across all social media platforms, and you can find me over on Instagram at Jen's Alopecia. Don't forget to check out the other wig reviews on the Judy Plum YouTube channel, and head on over to the website to check out the full range of beautiful wigs available to order now at the best prices with some great customer reviews.